Alright dudes, welcome back to part 87 of how a dummy builds a swing arm. We did a lot of welding, and I think some of them actually might be okay, but we're gonna uncover them and see what we have. So, you know what's next. Time lapse. Yeah. Alright, this is for entertainmental purposes only. This is not very educational. This is not for... I don't, what am I even talking about at this, okay, yeah. Ooh, look at that. That looks a little better. Not too shabby for the first attempt at making a swing arm by one's lonesome without the right tools. Okay. There's a few spots where I'm not, I think I want to make a little better. And I like one or two that I missed. Anyways. Look at that. I gotta clean it up. It's a little greased up from the anti-splatty whack spray. But it's looking nice. Oh, we're getting close. We can soon put it in the thing. And that will be awesome. So, I think I will keep doing stuff. I don't know. But anyways, thanks. I guess we'll end. Yeah. Okay. Bye-bye. Thank you for watching. Hope you watch more. I will go away now. Hee hee.